You know you need a Nexus letter to bridge the gap between your service and your claim. But when you ask your doctor, you get a no, or worse, I'm not allowed. Today, we're going beyond the basics. I'm showing you the logistics of how to ask for a Nexus, the secret VA policy that says they can help you, and how to use secondary service connections to make that letter 10 times easier. Who to ask and who to avoid. On the yes list, your VA primary care, your private specialists, and your community care providers. These doctors treat you. They know your conditions. On the no list, never ask a contracted C&P examiner from QTC, DES, or LHI. They are hired for a one-time evaluation and are prohibited from providing you a personal Nexus letter. But what happens when your regular VA doctor says their hands are tied? You bring out the paperwork. If a VA clinician tells you they aren't allowed to write a Nexus letter, they are likely mistaken. VHA Directive 1134 is your shield. It explicitly states that VA clinicians should provide medical statements for veterans' disability claims. Be polite, but you aren't asking for a favor. You're asking them to follow their own internal policy. Now here's a pro-level logistics tip, the secondary connection. Sometimes asking a doctor to link a condition to military service from 20 years ago is a big ask. They might feel they don't have enough data. Instead, ask them to link a new condition to a condition you already have service connected. For example, if you have service connected back pain and it's causing leg numbness, ask your doctor, can you provide a statement that my leg numbness is caused by my existing service-connected back condition? Doctors are much more comfortable linking two medical conditions they see right in front of them than they are digging into 20-year-old service records. To get that yes, you need to make it easy. Don't show up empty-handed. Bring a Nexus Kit. Nexus Kit would be a copy of the VHA Directive 1134. Just in case they need to see it. Don't forget the magic language. They must use the phrase at least as likely as not. Bring medical evidence. Give the specific pages of your records that support the link and the condition. And help do the work. Provide the doctor with a draft of the Nexus letter that just needs a signature and a doctor's license number. For private or community care doctors, explain that they aren't rating you. They're just providing a medical opinion on the cause. This takes the pressure off of them. Getting a Nexus is a chess match, not a wrestling match. Use the policy. Simplify the doctor's job with a kit and look for those secondary connections. If you need a refresher on the types of evidence you should be gathering, go back and watch episode number 8, Gather and Create Evidence for Your VA Claim. Have you ever been told no by a VA doctor? Drop a comment below and let's talk about how to handle those hurdles. If you would, subscribe, give this episode a thumbs up. It helps other veterans like yourself get this information. And for now, this has been Specialist Joe. I'm signing off. Bye-bye.